itchy. Probably because it's synthetic as. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I was inspired by a picture on Instagram, and it was on Kylie Jenner's page and I was in love. This is the picture and holy crap, that's pretty. So that's what I try to recreate. I am happy about this makeup look. If you like what you're seeing right now, then please keep on watching. I already did one eye off camera, so I don't have to look at the picture. This is the makeup look I recreated. Well, I tried, but this is how it's supposed to be. I have this terrible piece of hair. It only looks good when I cut off this part because it's so fake. Anyway, that's not the point. So for this look, we're gonna keep it simple, and I am going to use the Morphe 35OM palette, and I'm going to use this shade, that one, and that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colors. And I don't think I have to tell you which brush I'm using. Sigma E40. What's new? Nothing is new. It's the best blending brush out there. And I'm taking it a little bit further because she actually has like a very straight line. I'm not gonna use tape, but we're gonna make it a little bit more straight using some concealer later on. So that's why I'm blending the eyeshadow all the way until here. And then I'm going to use this darker round shade. Going in with this color right here, and I'm going to switch brushes to my second favorite blending brush. It is the MAC 221, and it's actually not my second favorite. It's just these two brushes I use all the time. This is a perfect brush when you want to have it more into your lower crease, and I love it. I actually have 4 of them, not even kidding. And I'm bringing the darker color all the way up here. I normally don't do that, but I saw on the picture that the makeup artist, I think it was Makeup by Ariel, also did that. And that's why I am doing that as well. E40 again. And sometimes I like to use like the side part of the brush to make all the colors blend together. I don't know. I've been doing it lately and I've been loving it because this can be too harsh sometimes. So I'm just like softly going over it. It's like patting my eyes. Like I'm a freaking dog, but you know. Then last but not least, we're gonna do the darker shade. That was, oh, sorry, this one right here, and the MAC 221. I'm going to apply it on the outer part of my eye, my eyelid, but not on my entire eyelids. And for my eyelid, I'm using this shade right here, and please excuse my nails tomorrow, guys, tomorrow. And I'm applying that with another favorite, the MAC 242, which we all know. Not all the way, by the way, like 2/3 of my eyelid. Yep. Now that we're done with, you know, this, I'm gonna do the most difficult part. Well, the most difficult part for me, and that is a smoked out liner. I love liner. I think I can say that I'm pretty good at applying eyeliner, but I suck when it comes to like a smudged eye kohl thing liner. I don't know. I did it on this eye. It took me about 10 minutes to do. I'm not even kidding. So we'll see. By the way, I'm using Feline by MAC. Just gonna leave it the way it is because it's not gonna get any better. Apply some lashes, and these are from Primark. Okay, so now I'm quickly going to do the rest of my face. I am going to record it, but I'm not going to make it a chit chat video because we all know I talk too much and this video will be too long. So I'm going to record it. I'm going to, you know, do my thing. And then I will talk to you when it's time to do the rest of the eyes. I'm going to talk again because we're gonna do the eyes, and I am going to use this shade right here with my MAC 221 brush. By the way, I'm sorry that I'm holding a mirror right here. I have one there, but contacts were irritating, so you know, I can't see. Taking a lighter pencil for my waterline. Of course, I would do black, but she was not wearing a black shade. Spraying some Glam Glow. Now, lips is actually pretty difficult because, of course, I do not have her lipstick, but it's kind of a reddish, slightly orange toned lipstick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Heartbreaker liquid lipstick by Hudabeauty, and I'm going to mix it with MAC lipstick in Lady Danger. And I'm first going to apply the red one, and then I'm going to apply the more orangey one. Let's hope it works. Alrighty. That's about the same color, right? So yeah, guys, this is the look. This is how it turned out. Pretty happy about it. Of course, it's not the same as her photo on Instagram, but I did my best. I don't even know what kind of product she used, except for the lippy, of course. But yeah, I hope this video was fun. I hope it was helpful. And most of all, I hope you enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos of me, you can hit the subscribe button, but only if you want to. Don't feel obligated. Oh, great. Anyway, I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.